Hey everybody, Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and it's been a while since I uploaded the last video, and I've obviously changed my environment. I've moved houses, and I've been setting up for the last 3 weeks, and I actually didn't have internet for almost 2.5 weeks. It was a real killer, and yeah, I haven't been able to upload anything pretty much. But thanks to those who stuck around and were, leaving comments in the community section on YouTube, and just generally catching up with me. It's really awesome to see the community still alive, even though YouTube technically thinks I am dead. So, yeah, let's get straight into this video, shall we? So for those who have been following me on the community tab in YouTube, you would have noticed that I posted some Blackstone Fortress stuff. And here's some tiles right here, and this is what we're posting today. And we've also got some corridors as well to go with it. Now, the way I printed these was a little annoying, to be honest. So you're gonna have to print every single tile and then glue them together. Yeah. So the reason why we're printing every single tile individually is because printing the tiles as a big form, it takes way too long, and you'd have to print up a lot of tiles because every single tile has a back face. So this tile, like this, on Blackstone Fortress has a flip side, and on the flip side it's got a completely different kind of set of terrain that you have to put onto it. So printing up every single tile is actually shorter than printing up every single tile with all the terrain. So we're going to be making it differently. I mean, you can make individual tiles if you want, like this, or you can make individual tiles and glue them together, and then you can make a whole range of different shapes. Sorry for those who wanted to make it in one print, but this is the best way for the bigger audience. Everyone will be able to make this, and yeah, I think it's much more user-friendly for now. So it doesn't take too long, but this entire project is a real big one. This is probably the biggest project I've worked on my entire channel, to be honest. And it's still going, to be honest. I've still got more to paint up and to print up, so I'm going to release this slowly as we go along. But they work really well, they connect perfectly, and they can also be used on top of Blackstone Fortress tiles, like actual ones. So you don't have to print up the tiles themselves, you can just print up the corridors, or you can print up the little terrain that is supposed to block things and all that kind of stuff, which we'll do in a later video. I'll show you how I painted these, because I'm really excited to show how they look in the end product. This is obviously just the tiles, but the end product is really awesome. It's coming along really well, and the way I painted these it came out exactly how I was imagining, and it's really simple to do, so I'll explain how to do that. So you can place an undercoat of like a flat black from a rattle can or spray can or whatever you want or can use. You could use you can hand paint it if you want. And afterwards we want to put a silver top over the top. Again, you can hand paint it or spray it on. But yeah, that silver is going to be our real undercoat because that's what's going to make it look really metallic. And once that's dried, use a Drakenhof Nightshade, which is one of the Citadel shades, kind of like the Null Oil, but it's more blue. Well, it is blue, dark blue. And you apply about 3 coats of it, and you'll get this really awesome looking alien metallic blue. And honestly, I want to use it for some other models and try and change the scheme in general, and just have this metallic looking color on top of things. It's just such an awesome looking color, to be honest. I'm really impressed with how it turned out, and it's exactly how I wanted it to look. So if you're wanting to paint these the way I painted them, I've gone with that silver undercoat and just the Drakenhof Nightshade, and you can see here how it's still got that reflective surface, so it looks like metal, but like a dark blue metal, and that's pretty much it. And then gluing it together is the same as always, and I've pretty much just used like a fake dirt over the top just to give it a little bit more texture. You don't have to. To be honest, these were failed prints that I managed to scrap, and I just put dirt over the top of them. So don't waste everything. Don't throw it away if it doesn't work. If you can recycle it, definitely do. But yeah, that's the tiles for the Blackstone Fortress so far. Now, if you want to see the next part, we'll be working on some of the terrain that goes within. and that should be available here. If it's not, it will be soon. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment what you think of this project below. Now, I do have intentions to make a new tile set in the future, and I'm actually thinking about making an entire game. Let me know what you think about that. Yeah, if you want to support me further on this channel, don't forget to head over to Patreon and check out what I've got going there. You can pledge a couple dollars per video. You don't have to, but it's really helping me out. Like, some of you guys are just amazing. Don't forget I'm always open to suggestions as well, so you can leave them in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and again, special thanks for everyone who stuck around for that pretty solid 2 weeks of no content at all. It's really, really awesome that you guys stuck around. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you guys.